Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to administer L-Carnitine injection. First, gather all your supplies: the L-Carnitine solution, sterile syringes, needles, and alcohol wipes. Always ensure you have the correct dosage prescribed by a healthcare professional. Next, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds to maintain a sterile environment. Finally, choose a suitable injection site, like the outer thigh or upper arm, ensuring it's clean and free of irritation. Now let's prepare the medication. First, clean the rubber stopper of your L-Carnitine vial with an alcohol wipe and let it air dry. Next, uncap your needle and pull back the plunger to draw air into the syringe, matching your prescribed dose. Insert the needle into the vial, inject the air, then invert the vial. Carefully draw the L-Carnitine solution into the syringe, ensuring no air bubbles remain. Tap gently to remove any if present. With the medication ready, it's time to administer the injection. First, clean your chosen injection site thoroughly with a fresh alcohol wipe, moving in a circular motion outwards. Allow the area to air dry completely. Gently pinch the skin around the site. With a quick, firm motion, insert the needle straight into the muscle at a 90-degree angle. Slowly and steadily push the plunger to inject the L-Carnitine solution. Once complete, withdraw the needle smoothly. After the injection, proper aftercare is important. Immediately apply gentle pressure to the injection site with a clean gauze pad or cotton ball. Avoid rubbing the area, as this can cause bruising or irritation. Once the bleeding stops, you can apply a small bandage if needed. Most importantly, dispose of the used needle and syringe immediately into a designated sharps container. Never recap a used needle, and always keep sharps containers out of reach of children.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.